Do you know, in year 1973 Yamaha introduced its RD125 to the world. This mighty little was developed, manufactured by Yamaha until late 1990. With its RD designated which indicate its orientation for race developed. This mighty RD looks very familiar to the RX100 from the late two-stroke Indian era in terms of weight and proportion, but with inline twin cylinder instead of one, just like the RD350. Alternatively, this bike was largely similar to the AS3, AS2 model which appears in late 60s. As for the power figures, this mighty 125 packs a 124cc two-stroke parallel twin air-cooled engine, managed by two Taiki carburetors, later switched to twin Mikuni coupled to a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering an output power of 17 horsepower with maximum strength at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 13 Nm, 10 pound-feet torque at 8,000 revolutions per minute. It had a reed valve control like the AS3 and twin Mikuni carburetors. At 100 kilowatts, 136 horsepower, the power per liter of the small machine was high, pushing the small motorcycle to 130 km per hour, 81 miles per hour, and from 0 to 100 km per hour in 13.5 seconds. This mighty is 7 kg heavier than the AS3 and was started with a kickstarter. This air-cooled, counter-rotating two-stroke parallel twin with 125cc displacement was square, meaning the stroke and bore were the same at 43 mm. Compared to its predecessor, the mighty 125 had a teardrop-shaped fuel tank for the contemporary tastes and slimmer look. The wheelbase grew 40 mm longer from 1200 mm to 1240 mm. The air filter was moved and relocated under the side cover, and the oil filter neck for the separate lubrication under the seat. In the visual department, this mighty packed standard features, such as a round headlight with two instrument gauges mounted on top, a two-piece dual seat, a dual exhaust system with a muffler on each side, and lightweight wire-spoke wheels. Built around a monotube steel-type diamond frame that was open at the bottom, the engine block was split horizontally, with a 28 mm telescopic fork on the front and a 150 mm drum braking unit. In contrast, the rear end was handled by preload adjustable side-mounted stereo shocks in a 130 mm drum unit. It features a duplex drum brakes at the front and simplex drum brakes at the rear. With the 1976 model year, the front brakes were changed to single-disc brakes.